So this could have been really bad. I was going to rewire the motor for my drill press because this was the plug. No plus or no hot or neutral wire plug in this one. Could have plugged in either way, and no grounding whatsoever. And so I was actually reading 110 volts between the actual casing and the switch, depending on how you plugged it into the outlet. So that was bad. Then when I was rewiring it, I actually fixed it with, I was going to replace it with a grounded cord. But then as I put it back together, this got snagged behind the actual internals and ripped it loose. So unless I can get this cover off and have to resolder it back to the motor itself, this cord, I'm going to actually get a replacement motor. I found one which is a 1 horsepower Craftsman, so it's the same brand, that hopefully is wired better than this one and should give me some extra power. But yeah, this could have been lethal depending on how I would have plugged this in.